free $650 from a new website Automatic. Make money online. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to e-commerce know-how. What types of affiliate marketing are there? Affiliate marketing is divided into three categories: unaffiliated affiliate marketing, related affiliate marketing, and involved affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing with no strings attached. Unattached affiliate marketing is a type of advertising in which the affiliate has no ties to the product or service being promoted. They don't have any known related skills or expertise, and they don't claim to be an authority on it or make claims about how to use it. This is the simplest type of affiliate marketing. Before the affiliate has no emotional attachment to the potential customer or product, he or she is relieved of the obligation to recommend or advise. Affiliate marketing is related to related affiliate marketing, as the name implies, entails that promotion of items or services by an affiliate who has a connection to the offering. In most cases, there's a link between the affiliate speculations and the product or service. The affiliate has the power and knowledge to drive traffic, and their authority establishes them as a reliable source. The affiliate, on the other hand, makes no promises about the product or the service's effectiveness. Affiliate marketing that has been involved. Affiliate marketing is more involved, develops a stronger bond between the affiliate and the product or service they're advertising. They've used or are using the product, they are certain that others will benefit from their great experience. Their experiences function as ads and reliable sources of knowledge. On the other hand, because they're making suggestions, any issues that arise from the offer may jeopardize their reputation. Affiliate marketing's advantages. Affiliate marketing spending in the United States is predicted to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, according to Statistica. Why do businesses spend so much money on affiliate marketing campaigns? Some of the advantages of using affiliate marketing in your business are listed below. Startup costs are low. You don't need to hire an advertising staff or buy ad space to participate in an affiliate program. Instead, you'll have to rely on affiliates for marketing content. Apart from the initial effort of picking and verifying affiliates, selling your items requires little effort from you, which is one of the reasons that it's become a super popular technique of marketing. Once a corporation is comfortable working with an affiliate and has established a good relationship, they can mostly delegate promotion of your service or product to them. Low long-term cost. Before affiliates handle the majority of your marketing, they'll be responsible for a portion of the expense. Because it's a commission-based scheme, you only pay affiliates if they bring in purchases. Unlike other marketing methods, such as PPC advertising, which forces you to pay for every click that leads to your website, the marketing approach makes costs easy to manage and does not disrupt your cash flow. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, ensures that you only part with your money when sales are made. Risk is minimal. Low risk equates to low cost. Payments are only made when there's a genuine conversation, so there is no risk of losing money. Ideals for firms on a limited budget. Traffic that has been specifically targeted. Because the affiliates are chosen by you, the traffic you get to your site will be from people who are interested in your product or service. This is because affiliates who are passionate about your brand will almost certainly have others in their circle of influence who will find your brand valuable. Flexibility. You may easily scale up or down your affiliate network for little or no money. It also provides a cost-effective option to expand your firm. High return on investments. Having the keys to produce innovation and good management abilities isn't enough to ensure a high return on investment. You also need to nail your marketing. Affiliate marketing has been shown to provide substantially higher return on investment than most other marketing methods. One of the main reasons for this is that affiliates within your target audience spheres of influences will tell you about your product or service. In other words, you're directing your market efforts to an affiliate who has direct access to and influence over a highly focused audience that's interested in what you're selling. Affiliates marketing is increasingly becoming a key component of many marketing plans, owing to the high return on investment that other tactics cannot match. The advantages of affiliate marketing are becoming more evident to businesses of all sizes as the market grows, and we can expect to see more organizations adopt the strategy in the future. There's a sizable pool of affiliate marketers. Affiliate programs are in high demand as more people try to establish or build their own business. They have been resulted in a vast pool of affiliates to choose from, allowing you to be more selective in who you deal with. You can select to work solely with the most productive and motivated affiliates, which will save you time while resulting in more qualified leads and sales. Marketing is difficult but necessary for success. Affiliate marketing is cost-effective, easy to manage strategy that has beneficial impact on your business and brand overall. Look at some of the brands that are already using affiliate marketing if you're not sure if it'll work for you or your items. Check to discover if others in your field are using affiliate marketing to promote their message. And then look at the plethora of brands who have had great success with this type of marketing. Finally, remember that you can start small and work your way up. Affiliate marketing offers the same benefits to all businesses. Whether you're a little business with a strict budget or a well-established brand seeking for new ways to reach out to a wider audience. Affiliate marketing obstacles. Affiliate fraud. Fraud and shady businesses were the primary concerns. We all work online, after all, and we're all aware that there will always be scammers and nefarious activities. But how might this be avoided? Simply by implanting proper affiliate application evaluation and reporting procedures. If any fraud-like activities are flagged, you have the option to deactivate those affiliate accounts and halt commissions. Affiliate marketing cost. Other merchants are concerned about the expense of affiliate marketing. Getting started with an affiliate program might be costly. Vendors should look for an affiliate program with a cheap setup price and consider payout structures. Is the network charging a percentage of gross income, or is a percentage of affiliate compensation, for example? There are the most frequent ways for payment for affiliate programs. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next two videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.